It's the third season here, folks, in Wisconsin. I got a tag. I am gonna try and get some birds roosted for the morning here. Pretty sure that was a gobbler in there. Pretty sure they're gobbling in there, but I can't tell. I gotta get closer. Oh, he's in there. That was a loud one. Oh, baby. There's 2 or 3 in there. That's freaking awesome. Woo! Even for you amateur and below amateur like myself, bad owl hooters, you can still get plenty of birds to gobble. You may not get all of them, but you can get plenty of them. There's 2 for sure 2 in there. There might be 3 in there. There's definitely one further away, and then there's one that sounded like he was right in the middle. Should be a good opportunity here in the morning. Oh, that gets me fired up.
Hit one. I got him. Let's go, baby. What a bird, man. Oh man, what a hunt. What a hunt. That was nuts. I didn't deserve to kill this bird, really. It was pretty bad hunting on my part this morning. Got here way too late. Either way, it didn't matter when I got here. There was a hen right above the trail I spooked, and she didn't like me. She was going nuts. I never called to a bird that much in the tree, but, well, not a bird. There was about 3 or 4 of them down here. I don't know, fit in good enough, I guess, because they all hung in the woods. I was probably sitting out there like a moron too, right in the middle. I was on some random big tree. I don't even remember where I shot from, but it was probably about 35, 40 yards, but I just couldn't get shots. You guys could see them. They were just running these. There's a group of jakes in here and they're just running them off, but they're never really just in my view. And eventually it just got to the point where I was like, they ain't gonna come any closer. This is probably as close as they're gonna come. When they came up top that one last time, I had that hen. She started putting. I was like, it's over. Screwed up again. And then I don't remember that first shot really now that I think about it. I think that first shot was over there. I saw that one fanned up and then he was right in my view and I missed that first one. Just called like a crazy man and everything in here was going nuts. I mean, you saw there's 10 birds in here. It's going nuts. And I got that second shot. I never had a hunt like that. I never missed and got another opportunity. Pretty lucky. Pretty fortunate.